Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitson and today we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart. Now there's been a lot of FUD about, I love that word FUD. If you don't know, if you're not Scottish, obviously a lot of you won't be Scottish, most of you won't be Scottish. If you don't know what FUD means, FUD is an insult in Scotland and basically it's another word for vagina, but it's it's actually an insult. So calling somebody a FUD is saying you're an arse. So say, oh yeah, fucking FUD. That's just calling somebody an arse. So I love the word FUD, but in context of crypto is fear, uncertainty and doubt. And I just love that word and I thought I'd share it with you. So let me cut this bit out. So yeah, so what to do? Yeah, so FUD with Bitcoin, you've got the China FUD, you've got the SEC FUD, you've got the government FUD, you've got the banning FUD, you've got everybody's going to ban it FUD. It is FUD and it's designed to get your crypto. I know that sounds conspiratorial and all manner of nonsense as well, but that's essentially what I feel and I've been saying since the end of June. This is what's going to happen with Bitcoin. It's going to go up to about 50,000. It's going to come back down to about 38,000, 35,000. Then it's going to start to gradually go back up from the beginning of October. So the beginning of October, which is starting next week, we're going to hit the 50,000 mark again. Probably the first week in October, then it's going to start creeping up. You're going to get to 55,000, come down a tad to still hitting the $50,000 level, and then it's going to hit its all-time high and keep on going up until the end of the year. Whether it goes into quarter one 2022, I don't know yet. I'm still of the mindset that it's probably going to go into quarter one 2022, but I'm going to show you the chart to show you exactly what I think and what I've been saying since the end of June as well. So this is the Bitcoin chart just now. We're on the daily at the moment. And you can see we've got a support level there of 39,000-ish for the moment. You can see it's come down to that, it's bounced off that a couple of times. And it's gone back up again. And we've got round about the 50,000 level or the 51,000 level. We've got resistance there just now. But we're going back up again. So we're kind of going up and down. We're just going sideways just now. If we look at the 4-hour chart, you can see we're almost in. We're almost in a channel here. If we kind of go here and go across and down, we're in a kind of sideways channel here, and you can see that quite clearly there when you actually put the channel in. And channels between 40,000 and 44,000, that would be considered a channel, which we've been in many times before. So it's a matter of kind of breaking out that channel either to the downside or to the upside. As I said, I think it's going to be from the upside, but I think it's going to be a slow move up for Bitcoin from here. 29th of September, when we're going to start going up, we might see another drop down to 40,000 or 38,000 or even 36,000. We might see another drop to that level. Before then, that will be the last drop. Before then, it starts rising back up. So we might still see some more FUD coming out. So you might still see that coming out as well, whatever that, guys, that's going to take. But remember, we've got the decisions due for some Bitcoin ETFs on 5 Bitcoin ETFs from around about the 18th of October onwards. So I think in anticipation of that, Bitcoin is going to start to go up. And I'm going to show you the chart that I've showed you loads of times before as well. I'm going to show you again for good reason. For good reason. It's following the pattern quite nicely here. So we're going on this 4-year cycle that we've been talking about for ages. October 2013, this is when Bitcoin started to move up. It started to kind of gradually go up, and then November it took a big spurt. The end of December it hit its peak around $1,190 and then started coming back down again. Same thing happened in October 2017. It started going up round about October, the beginning of October, first week, started moving up there and past this midline of the logarithmic growth curve. So past that midline, and then started going up again to its all-time high of about 20,000, then started coming back down again. Same thing is happening. If we extrapolate the information from 2017, 2013, put it onto 2021, we can see it's following almost the same pattern. You can see the end of June, this brown line here is what happened back in 2013 and 2017 as well. So it's happening all over again. and it looks is uncanny how closely it's following this. So this is why I'm thinking we're going to go up to the middle of October. We're going to go up to the $50,000 level, and then we're going to hit 56,000. Then we're going to move up. We're going to come back down a wee bit more, and then by the end of December we're going to go to 100 to 150,000 for Bitcoin, which is going to mean an explosion in altcoins, explosion in Ethereum, and we could come to the end of this cycle at the end of December. That's my thinking on Bitcoin. As I said, you're going to get more FUD news coming out, and as whether you pay attention to or not. How many times has China banned Bitcoin? Who the hell gives a shit? How many times it's banned Bitcoin? We know it's going to do that. We know why it's doing it, but everybody still seems to follow this kind of FUD and just sell off the Bitcoin whenever news comes out about that. I know they've got big mining farms and the big kind of miners there as well, and they control a lot of it, but they're doing this to control it even more. This is why they're doing this FUD and saying we're going to ban it, blah, blah, blah. The government's going to ban it, blah, blah, blah. SEC's going to ban it, blah, blah, blah. It's all the same as to get your Bitcoin. That's it in a nutshell. Okay, rant over. Until the next video. Namaste. Take care. Bye now.